I want to show you a nice, interesting strategy to find all these trading ideas on TradingView without having to leave your chart. So if you're interested in a stock like Apple, these are all trading ideas that are in TradingView. These are all there. Um, these little balls indicate one trade idea, another one, and then you can go down to 4 hour and you can see them individually. So you can click on one, for example, this one, and he's saying it's going to be a short. It's going to, that's his idea. And apparently he was right because it did go down on the 4 hour. That was a doji to find some support down here in the uptrend. So what I'm saying is you can utilize these trading ideas to your benefit by reviewing the accuracy of some traders' ideas. And if they're right, click follow. And then you have a whole list of reliable uh, traders to follow their ideas. You don't want to follow, spoon fed everything, but you want to take into account their ideas because they're highly effective, right? So just right click on your chart, click on settings, go down to events, and then over here you're going to see ideas on charts. You click that, or you can click ideas of followed users, my ideas only. So after you get a good base of users to follow, you can switch it on to ideas of followed users, so you can only follow the ones you like. So there's no shortage of trading ideas. You can see who's wrong, you can see who's right, you can see all the new ones coming up. You can change the hourly you could change it to hourly, you can change it to, and then you can see too here, right here. If it's red, it's going to be a short. If it's going to be green, long. So this guy was wrong. This guy was long. And he would have been stopped out. So doesn't mean he's a bad trader. It's just that trade didn't work out. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe if you like my content to find out more. Thank you.